Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. Market consolidated during this week and digested the election result and the political developments after the result. Volatility index has come down by around 25% during this week. Overall trend of the market is up as indicated by the technical charts. Market valuation is inching upwards as all sectors are trading at premium valuations. Short-term investors have to be careful in selecting stocks and should not get carried away by the momentum in few stocks, and they may get stuck at higher prices for a longer period of time as market is trading at a premium valuation. Long-term investors should look at picking quality stocks as earning visibility is good for next 5 to 6 years. Long-term investors will get good returns as economy is on growth path and corporate earnings from here on is likely to improve. Now let us look at performance of indices. Nifty has closed at 23,465, up by 175 points, that is 0.75% up. Bank Nifty has closed at 50,002, up by 198 points, that is 0.40% up. Mid cap and small cap indices have outperformed. Mid cap index is at 55,225. It is at a record high, gained about 2,031 points, that is up by 3.82%. Small cap is up by 4.81%, that is 828 points, closed at record level of 18,043. India VIX has dropped by 4.06, that is more than 24%, and closed at 12.82. Now let us look at different sectors. Realty sector gained the most, 5.57%. PSU stocks, media, consumer durables, manufacturing, oil and gas, infrastructure all gained 3 to 4%. Auto sector, PSU bank, pharma and healthcare index, commodities all gained around 2 to 3%. Information technology and FMCG were only the two sectors which saw 1 to 1.5% losses during the week. There is broad-based based buying by FIIs and DIIs. That is what is keeping the market in a upward trend and momentum. Now let us look at technical charts. This is the daily chart of Nifty. We can see that Nifty index is trading in a uptrending channel for 3 to 4 months. Now it has broken out of this channel, and for the full week it has been trading above this channel. And if we look at the formation, it looks more like a consolidation. So this consolidation of Nifty may continue for few more days in the next week. This is the chart of Nifty Mid Cap Index. The chart is trading in a uptrending narrowing channel, and now it has broken out of this channel, and we have seen a very good momentum in mid cap index. So this momentum is likely to continue in the coming week. This is the chart of Nifty small cap index. Here also we can see after breaking out of this resistance line at around 17,250, small cap index has given a sharp up move in this week. It has shown good positive momentum, and this momentum is likely to continue in the coming week despite a premium valuation at which mid cap and small cap indices are trading. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty index. It is trading in a uptrending channel, and now it is at the middle of the channel, and the price action indicates that Bank Nifty is likely to touch 51,000 level in coming days. Now let us look at some of the fundamental factors of the market. Macroeconomic and market fundamentals of India continues to be good. There was Fed meeting in US during this week, and Fed has not raised the interest rate in US, but they have indicated that there could be a one rate cut at the end of this year. Market was quite happy, and after the Fed meeting policy statement, US markets have gone up, and all other markets across the globe have gone up. RBI forex reserves is at a record high of 655.5 billion US dollars. This is a very good comfort level for RBI as well as for Indian economy. Forex rate is at 83.56 against dollar, and dollar index is at 105.52. Brent crude price is at study. It is at around 82.6 per barrel. A steady crude price is good for Indian economy. Gold price is at 71,955 for 10 grams 24 carat. During this week, FIIs and DIIs have bought. FIIs bought 2,029 crores and DIIs bought 6,292 crores in equity. The FII and DII buying is giving a good support to the market. Because of this continuous buying, there is any unlikely event of sharp correction in the market. If there is any dip, that is immediately being bought in by the institutional investors. IIP data for the April has come at 5%. It has slightly come down from the previous month. It was at 5.4%. From there, it had dropped to 5%. And wholesale inflation has come at 2.61%. It has slightly gone up. It was at 1.26% in the previous month. The inflation going up based on the wholesale price index is not a good news for the economy. Mainly, this WPI inflation has gone up because of the summer months. Food and vegetable prices were quite high. Because of that, it has gone up. It is likely to come down during monsoon months, during the rainy season. Consumer price based inflation, that is retail inflation, has come down at 4.75 from 4.83 in the previous month. The retail inflation seems to be under control, and if WPI inflation also comes down, and along with that, the growth is slowing down. So RBI, based on this data, the next policy will be very interesting. This one, so market will watch the next RBI policy. If inflation comes under control and growth is getting a little bit slower, RBI may cut the interest rate, support the growth. Market will continue its uptrend in expectation of a rate cut by RBI policy. Mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs. I have looked at valuation of various sectors. Mid cap and small cap are trading at premium valuation. Especially mid cap is trading at 44 times P multiple. Small cap index is trading at around 28 P multiple. Whereas large cap stocks, that is Nifty 50 index, is trading at 22 times P multiple. So the market seems to be tilted in favor of large cap stocks at present time. The valuation needs to be a little lower comparing to small cap and mid cap sector. Investors should look at buying large cap stocks with a view of 3 to 4 years at this point of time. And mutual fund investors also should look at investing in large cap mutual funds with horizon of 4 to 5 years time to get good returns. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can share with your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. We will meet again next week. Thank you.